Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Kalia, filling in for Dadrian. Morgan Heritage to drop a new album. The Grammy-winning Reggae Dynasty on Monday announced the date for their latest album, The Homeland. The 21-track album, according to the group, is their first world music album as they combine the sounds of Africa with the sounds of Jamaica on the Afrofusion album that features legends and future legends from both places. The description is fitting as The Homeland, as it features African giants Stonebwoy, Shatta Wale, and reggae crossover megastar Shaggy, Popcorn, and Beenie Man, and others. However, the full track list is yet to be announced. The album is scheduled for release this April, ahead of Morgan Heritage upcoming tour. They are booked to perform in Jamaica at Reggae Sumfest this July, and this weekend they will be at Los Angeles CA Grammy Museum, The Drop. Over the weekend, Morgan Heritage gave fans the lead single, Who Dey Like You, a fiery collab with Bounty Killer, Sham, and Stonebwoy. The single debuted at the #1 spot on the US iTunes Afrobeat chart. Featured in Ebony magazine as a part of their Women Who Rule Break series. According to the magazine, the dancehall queen Shenseea is defining her own path. Shenseea in the video speaks candidly about finding her confidence and defining her path in the industry.
You know, anybody that tries to project their fears on me is almost like, no, you can't tell me who I am. How are you gonna tell me who I am? As I said, I'm just following my purpose. If I feel to do something, that's what I'm gonna do. I feel like what I'm about to achieve right now, it definitely takes a lot of patience. It's very unusual for me, but I recognize that greatness, you have to take your time. If it's about to be done properly, you have to take your time because you need time to learn, you need time to grow, you need time to make mistakes.
In celebration of Women's History Month, Ebony is highlighting a curated list of dynamic women who are breaking boundaries loudly and with pride. Ebony has also featured US singer and actress Chloe Bailey. Miley Cyrus tops charts across the globe. The pop queen 8th studio album, Endless Summer Vacation, has been charting since its release last week. In the UK, she topped both the singles and album chart in the same week, as Endless Summer Vacation enters the chart in the #1 spot, while her single Flowers spends a 9th week at #1. In Australia, Flowers enters a 9th week at the Singles Chart Summit, while the album debuts at #1 on the National Albums Survey. And in the US, Miley Cyrus' Flowers remains the biggest song in the world, as it scores an 8th week at #1 on both the Billboard Global 200 and Global Exclusive US charts for the charts ending this week, while her album starts at #3 on the US-based Billboard 200 chart. I'm Kalia reporting for E Prime. Thanks for watching.